So a data mesh platform provides a solid foundation for creating responsible and ethical AI models. On top of a data mesh platform, you can create those trustworthy and high-quality data products that are needed for any AI and machine learning model. You can also create fit-for-purpose data products that will help train the AI models that you are looking to build and deploy and leverage in your organization for value-driven use cases. Now, one of the things that people may not realize is that you can also leverage AI for building out your data mesh as well. Every experience layer in your data mesh, be it the data product consumer layer, the data product provider layer, as well as the data product governance layer, can leverage AI to accelerate the development of those experiences. For example, you can use AI to accelerate the development of your data products. When you develop a data product, you want to standardize the data, you want to be able to harmonize the data with other data products, also build the data quality rules, and so forth. Very recently, we were able to leverage an LLM to provide recommendations for column names, column descriptions, and data quality rules. When we did that, we no longer start from a blank slate. We've completely bootstrapped it and accelerated the creation of those standardized values. And now when you go to your domain SME or anybody who's helping you standardize your data products, now instead of getting a blank slate of like, wait, where do I start? They instead get, here are these 3 options that ChatGPT has provided. Now, which of these is most relevant? Or customize it for what you think is right. These types of small techniques, but really valuable techniques, can go a really long way in accelerating the implementation. In our particular case, we were able to reduce the amount of time that we were expending with the SMEs from days to a matter of just 1 or 2 hours. It was an 80% reduction of their time. And the lead time that it took from the start of the creation of the data product to finally getting it into production was also reduced by about 70%. So even for the data product consumer experience layer, imagine where AI could support you. There are opportunities, for instance, to leverage the generative AI that's now been democratized in the industry towards this venture. Remember that we want to be able to provide these data products for our consumers, sometimes meeting them where they are. Well, the natural language as an interface to your data products, imagine how that can accelerate the adoption of your data products. In a recent client, we were able to leverage LLMs to be able to provide a chat interface as a layer on top of our data products for that consumer layer. And so our data product consumers now can just type in text and be able to discover data products and say, show me all the data products that have a particular column, for instance, or what is the relationship between one data product and another, if you can visualize that for me. And doing that through a chat interface is very powerful. And we're able to use generative AI techniques, we're able to use tools such as LangChain and so forth to be able to parse the intent of their prompts, being able to convert that to SQL, convert that to data visualization queries and so forth, and being able to provide that all within a chat interface. Similarly, through this technology, we're able to allow people not just to discover data products, but also consume them, being able to allow our consumers to be able to say, what is the analysis of a data product, can you visualize the data product, and so forth. Eventually being able to maybe even create data products in the future through this interface as well. This is a journey that we're embarking on, and so much opportunity and possibility to really leverage generative AI and other AI techniques to the consumer experience. Another layer in the data mesh platform is the data governance layer. Data governance provides that reinforcing support to be able to provide sustainable, trustworthy data products for your organization. Now, you can imagine that that could be a really time-consuming task from the initial being able to review the data products that are created, but also a long-term maintenance support as well to ensure there are no regressions in the data products and so forth. You can imagine leveraging AI for this as well. Really reduce the amount of time where machines could come in and help and support. Yes, still have human in the loop, because at the end of the day, the governance features are very important and you still want your human in the loop. But can you imagine having an AI agent, for instance, be that AI governance agent that is automatically learning and making some decisions also around data governance with the proper human in the loop capabilities along with it, that can completely accelerate your work when it comes to data governance. Things like being able to detect when are the data quality rules not being met. You can imagine compliance as code could be initially configured as code, but really being compliance as a governance agent that is working on behalf of you. You've codified it, you let it go, you let it do the work that it needs to, and then it informs you of when data governance rules are not being met. These are really small little ideas to help you accelerate your data governance work when it comes to data mesh, because these are time-consuming tasks, very important and critical for those quality data products, but can be definitely accelerated so that you can focus your time on more meaningful activities as well. In summary, AI is better with data mesh, and data mesh is better with AI. They reinforce each other. You're able to leverage the latest generative AI techniques to accelerate the development of your data mesh, to enhance the experience for the users of your data mesh. And also, you're able to create your AI models better than you did before because of the foundation of data mesh.